Welcome back, everybody, to another video here. We're cleaning up the boat here for the year. Today's the warmest day of the year for this year, 2024. So we're gonna get the boat all cleaned up and ready for this summer.
We got to clean her up. Did you ever name this thing?
No.
You guys should comment some suggestions below of what we should name the boat. We got a drone for our videos this summer for on the lake. We're gonna test it out in this video while we're cleaning up. The boat needs a whole lot of work right now. I'm talking. The tags are out of date for starters, so still can't even take it out after this. It needs new gas. We're charging the batteries, and it needs to all around be clean because it is covered in dirt and stuff from the trees falling on it. So.
And we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride.
She is clean. It's hot, y'all. Brandon's strapping down the boat.
Alright, y'all. We'll try to put this cover over the boat, try to keep it clean. We need to figure out how we got much better, y'all. Much better.
I'm just gonna hold it. Dollar store?
Yeah, let's see what the price is out there.
Okay. We put the cover on, but we need bungee jumping cords.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna renew my boat for 3 more years. $94. So my sticker will be in, but all I gotta do is have the paper on the boat, and if I get pulled by the game warden, but if we end up going out before the sticker comes in, but I'm sure the sticker will come in before we go out next.
We may have to stop at McDonald's.
If y'all didn't know, y'all, I forgot my wallet today.
It was so funny because Brandon's like, "Can I have your card?" And he asked me so pitiful because he doesn't want to ask me for it.
Yeah, but I found $140 in my center console.
I found that.
Which money I actually found, which got me by for what I needed for my strap to the boat and my registration for the boat. So.
What are you doing?
Drop the pride.
Brandon's gonna try and crank the boat up. Yeah, the battery's only been charging for a couple hours, so see if it works or not.
Got it running after the whole winter, y'all. Come on.
We unhooked the boat.
We're gonna go show y'all the lake that we always go to. With the drone. Without the boat.
No, we'll be leaving the boat here.
We'll wait till the summertime to another warmer day.
Yeah.
Sun's starting to go down, starting to look chilly. Alright, y'all, that's gonna end off this video here. If you like seeing more videos with that drone that we got now for y'all, drop down in the comments and like and subscribe.
Is he waving?